This is the 1960s to 70s vintage Seth Thomas. It came in a non-working condition. I bought it at auction. I cleaned and oiled it, not disassembling, just cleaning and oiling because it's a bit too complicated a gear train for a beginner. I adjusted the verge, got it in beat, and now all the chimes have been adjusted. The last problem was the striking the hour. I didn't want to do that. I've got it now. Let's move the hands. And this should strike 12. You can see I had to put quite a bend in that last hammer. I could have made a nicer bend, but I was using 2 pair of needle nose pliers, so it's a fairly abrupt bend. I think I'll leave it. It works. I'm going to let it run, adjust the time, and then oil and clean the case and give it to my mom for her mantle.